Hello, so in today's class we are going to learn about how to make a pencil holder or a pen holder from a waste plastic container. Are you ready for the tutorial? Let's go. So you can find this kind of container or plastic bottle from your kitchen, and to remove this sticky label we need a bowl of water. Add any kind of detergent or shampoo which is available to you. So instead of bowl you can even use bucket or anything which is available to you, okay? Don't worry. Now put your bottle in it and keep it aside for an hour. After an hour you will see that your label is removed. And still if it is not removed, use your hand and rub it over it. But here you can see there is still some kind of stickiness on the bottle. So there is one more hack to remove this. Now take little amount of oil, any oil, you can take any kind of oil, no problem, and apply it to the bottle. In just few rubs you will going to see that your bottle is going to look like a transparent bottle. Just look at the video, it is clearly visible. Now take a paper, white, rule, anything, and fold it in the way as I showed in the video. To get that perfect heart shaped paper, we need to draw it in this way. One more important thing, if you are under 10 years, please ask your parents or elder siblings for help, because using sharp objects like scissors might hurt you. If not help, at least ask them to guide you. Remember, art and craft is all about fun but not about pain, okay? See, we got our perfect heart. Here you need a double-sided tape. Cut it out in a small pieces. Again, ask any elders to help you with this. Now stick all those small pieces around the heart one by one. After sticking all those pieces, your heart will look like this. Now remove upper paper of double-sided tape and stick neatly to the bottle. Now you all might think that why I am sticking this heart to this bottle? Because this heart is going to create an aesthetic look. Here I am applying white acrylic color as a primary coat, and here's the brush which I am using is called filbert brush. Remember, glass or plastic surface are not easily paintable, and even if we manage to paint, that color doesn't give that vibrant look. To get that vibrant or sparky look on bottle or glass, we need gesso. So instead of gesso, we even can use white paints. Now keep it aside for few minutes for drying. Now take out your favorite color and apply it on the bottle. Here I am using pastel blue because pastels are all over the trend. Anything which is pastel in color is aesthetic, right? And here's the quick tip how to turn any darker shade into the pastel colors. And you just need one ingredient, that is white color. Just add white color to any darker shade and that will turn into the lighter shade. And lighter shade is called as pastel colors. And here come the most satisfying part, peeling off this heart. Please be careful while peeling this off because acrylic color can chip off. Still, it is okay if some parts are chipping off, we can apply another coat of color on it. To make this heart look more cool, we are adding flowers into it. So there is no big deal to draw this flower, this is very easy. Just by looking at the video you will get how to make it. And yes, the brush which I am using is called round brush and the number is 02. And you might know that usage of high amount of plastics are harming our environment. We all should think about how to recycle or reuse the plastic. And I think craft is one of the way where we can reuse the plastic materials. If not completely, we can reduce few amounts of plastic usage. You might think, is this an art class or an environment class? See, everything is interconnected. So here I am making the leaves. The color which I am using is called sap green. And here's the complete look of our pencil holder or a pen holder. And I am sure after this video you are not going to buy any kind of pencil holder from market. And even you can add fairy lights and make it your own decorative piece. So that is it for today. Thank you so much.